little closer. So I hear you're in the market for some compost, some mushroom compost. Because I just bought a whole yard of it. I'm gonna put it on my garden today. So stay tuned and see how we do that. This stuff is great. It's still steaming. Still steaming. So we picked this up earlier today at our local feed store. We can get a cubic yard of this for $75. And it's all local ingredients, believe it or not. So we really enjoy it. So we're standing at the halfway mark of our garden. If you watched our video last week, you saw us hoe all of this down and rake it. There's still some weeds that we're gonna get rid of as we go throughout the year, but we're gonna be adding compost today. We use mushroom compost. We absolutely love it. It's one of the best things ever invented, we think. And it's easy for us to get at our local feed store. So we're gonna be putting down 2 inches, give or take, 2 to 3 inches layer kind of across the board. We did it at the back row last year as a little experiment because we had some leftovers, and it worked really well. Kept the weeds out, it kept the soil more moist, and I'm pretty sure that the soil's softer now as well, like this year. So we're gonna go through and do that today with the rest. We have the compost now. I wanted to clean up the beds first, but we need the back of the truck clean for tomorrow. So we're gonna be doing this all tonight now. So yeah, let us get going with shoveling. Okay, so we just finished. We're a little bit limited here. We can't really get deliveries that aren't super expensive because of where we live. So we have to do it 1 yard at a time. So 1 yard actually will do 5 rolls. Katrina's saving back 1 bucket full for her strawberry tower. If you haven't seen the strawberry tower video, it's really fun. I recommend you go check that one out. But so our truck, 1 truck bed full. Sorry there, we got interrupted, a little hound interruption. Frank has had an ear infection. It is going away, he's feeling better, so he's feeling left out that he couldn't help here. But he was eating the compost. I can't have him eat compost. So normally, so we'll be able to do this whole kind of all the 15 rows in about 3 loads, which is fantastic. That's $225, that's not too bad. And this will give us basically everything we need for most of the year. Nutrient wise, we'll just top up here and there. We have a couple of different things we're going to try this year that we haven't done before. We'll see how that turns out. We're going to keep going, trying to get this done this week if possible. Thanks, guys. Okay, so as part of the beautification and kind of finalization of the garden this year, we're going to fix the fact that it's not very straight. Now, we're hoping for more of a polygon than a pure rectangle. Harold, guy, that's not helping. So just so that we can get this final line here a little bit straighter, so we're gonna, I'm gonna edge it with the shovel so I have a better idea, and then I'll come in with the, you know what, maybe I'll just go straight through with the tiller. We're gonna do the tiller, it's easier. Right, Harold? It's easier. Do you agree? Thank you, Harold. So my supervisor decided I didn't have enough room, so he cut the line. Not a big deal. We got the basic line set up for now. I'm gonna start raking, getting the grass out the best I can, and then we'll go in for a deeper pass. If you haven't seen last week's video, first time we're using it on YouTube here, this one, but this Champion tiller is really nice, but it's a direct drive. So if you take up too much, it's gonna stall and die on you. So it's a lot quicker in the long run just to do little passes and not get bogged down, or else you're gonna be pulling that thing 15 times. We did it last year. I was like 15 pulls per row or per length if you wanted to get it all done, like deep. So not worth it. So I'll rake it now, and I'll tie the string back up and then check to see how we look. Okay, Future Brad here. I'm editing, and what I'm doing here is important. We need to clean up the garden and make everything look square and everything set up for the rows properly. But it gets a little redundant over time. Jack agrees. So Katrina's actually doing something a little bit cooler. So I'm gonna go into the background of the video now, and I'm gonna let you see what Katrina's working on.
Hello. What am I doing, you're asking? Just cleaning my wood chipper. So last year we got a piece of wood stuck in it, and then we forgot to clean it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I need wood chips for the garden. So after we clean everything, we replace the gas, we will make some wood chips for the garden for the season. So yay! Come with me. Let's see if we could do this. 8 out of 10, I think I can do it. I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to ask for help. This is my Champion wood chipper. Ta-da! Ta-da! Anyways, so I'm going to open it up, clean it up, and then we'll get started with garden wood chipping. Is that a thing? Is that what you call it? I don't know. I don't think this is the right size for this. Oh, it is the right size. So magical. I was using this yesterday, and for something else, because my lawnmower needed something replaced, so I had to like pull it apart a little bit. And yeah, so I need something else. Give me one sec. Is that clampy thing still in the hole of the truck?
Yeah. Double wrench.
So I said clampy thing, he says adjustable wrench.
Here's another one.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
I think this one is too heavy duty.
Well, you never know. You might need something a little heavier here. If you do, you got it.
I like it lighter so I can, like, you know, hold on to it. Now it works. This correctly. Oh, one piece off. Okay. Next one. Woo. One, my hat was here all winter. And two, okay. I'm gonna do this. Oh, okay. What?
You took the top off?
I did. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That just takes me like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I need more information. said I needed more information.
Good. Frank.
Aha! Oh! I got it. The number 12.
Number 12, 12 mil? 12
Is that what
mm?
it means?
Does it say mm afterwards?
No, it just says 12.
Oh, then yeah, that's a 12 millimeter.
It has an
12
M with little corners on the sides.
Yeah.
So I think that's part of the Mastercraft logo thing. Huh?
Yeah, Mastercraft, but it's a metric socket.
Oh, okay. Cool. La la. But a little lower there. I don't know why I'm holding it. Okay. Whoppa! Look at us. Okay. Okay. Now. Oh, there's one there. Oh. Ooh. This calls for my hair to be up. What's that? It seems like there's anything up there. Okay, I'm back. Frank wanted to hang out in the truck, so this is what he does. Okay, so it doesn't move from there. Is here? No. Oh, I see it. How am I supposed to get that? Okay. You're gonna need a screwdriver. Hey, boo. I see it. Look right there. The wedge.
Carol's chewing on a 2x4.
Is he?
Yeah.
Fancy. I think those will make it easier or harder. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Oh, so good. Okay. I'm gonna open this. So I'm gonna take this off. where the problem is. That's an easier way to do this. What is it? Okay. Take it out. Oh wait. There was one more. Okay. Give me 1 second here. Oh. I got it. Okay. Oh no! I see it. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Ow, my finger. My hands places here. There it is. Okay. Okay. There you go. Stuck in there. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. This is where the chute was. And I actually think we got it all with that. Alright. Okay. There you go. I got it out. Do you want to see what it was? I think we're good now. I think you got the piece out. So I don't see anything else. So we're going to assemble it again. And then we're going to change the gas. And then maybe we'll start making some wood chips for the garden. Yeah, we will. Okay.
So how to siphon gas. So why are we siphoning gas? We left gas in here too long and it's spoiled most likely, and that will gunk everything up. So if we can get most of the gas out, should be fine. We have a little hand pump siphon, on off. Just leave it on, okay? Most gas cans or tanks have a primary filter.
Okay.
So
Is there stuff in there?
There's a spider in there.
Ew.
So that's why, little things, that way it doesn't get into your gas. You put this side in, really hard. It's almost full actually. Open up your receiver. and then put that in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did I just squeeze?
And now pump. Go
Only
again.
one time,
One
or
more. There you go. One more.
do I just keep on
There
going?
you go.
Oh,
No,
no.
you're good.
Okay. Oh, okay, that's fun.
That's it. And then you wait. It's almost all gone in there now.
No.
Put the lid on there for me.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, we'll probably empty this guy now with this.
How do you dispose of it? The gas.
Gas.
Or you just like use it?
But I'll just use it as.
Okay. Like for like the brush fire and
Yeah.
fire. Oh, it's Now that I'm a wood chipper master. Wood chip master? Wood chip master? Is that a thing? I don't know. Call me for your wood chipping needs. Just kidding. Yay! Okay, let's go, Harold. We fixed it. We fixed it. We fixed it. Whew. Blah, blah, blah.
So let me show you what homesteading and doing all this stuff was like in real life. So I just finished, as you saw, I just finished cleaning up all the dirt and leaves and stuff that was around. And I was just driving it to go dump it like you saw me do earlier, and this just randomly happened. So, double the cleanup, double the fun. Not end of the world, but it kind of sucks when you have to do a job twice. My own fault, I didn't latch it well enough, obviously. So, it is what it is. I'm gonna bring you over here while I go dump it. I don't think you need to watch me dump it again. So, if you watched your last video, at the end of it, we were kind of doing this new aisle or walkway or whatever you want to call it. We just kind of did it quickly just to get something in so we don't forget to do it. And not very straight. And gardening is all about being super precise, right? Obviously, clearly. So I made sure that both sides were like that wide, very precise measurement. So you can kind of walk easy breezy, because it's going to be kind of a main walkway front and back or this way through, and then we're going to do another one down the middle this way between the corn and the potatoes, and do that. So I'm going to edge this out a little bit better and get the dirt over here to be used in the growing area, and then we'll fill that with some type of mulch. You hate a string, eh? You hate, yeah. You just hate a good string line. Harold, no. No, too tight. How does that look? Harold, leave it. Okay, it's a little bit better. I don't really care about perfectly straight lines. This is like a production, get food in and out, or out, I guess, type garden. We're gonna make a nice pretty one day. This ain't it. So I think this is a good enough start for now. We can beautify as we go throughout the year. I want to start that middle path. I need to find my measuring tape so I can kind of figure out around where the middle is and then go from there. So I'll be back. So this will be our left border. So I'm going to kind of cut in here and bring it over here, the dirt. Okay, everybody, this is it for tonight. It's Friday night, so if you're watching this the day it comes out Sunday, we're doing this just 2 nights before, okay? So keep that in mind. It's starting to rain, so we're gonna call it quits. It's 8 p.m. We've been doing this for a couple hours now, and we need to get all the chickens put away for bed and everything like that. So we're gonna call it quits. We have 4 rows made, and we're gonna split this last one tomorrow for a total of 6 rows. And I think we can do about 30 plants per row.
Ah, so cool.
So that's about 180 potato plants we can do this year, which if that's the case, 180, if we get 10 potatoes each, that's 1,800 potatoes. So that's cool. That'd be awesome. So we're back. It's Saturday morning. We did a bunch of like chores and stuff around the farm, and now we're getting ready to finish off our last row. We're a little crooked at the bottom there, so we're gonna add a little bit to it, I think, but we're gonna dig out this first one and then see how we are here for room and go from there. But we're almost finished, and then we can start planting stuff this weekend. Whew. So, well, thank you for tuning in with us, watching us kind of work on the garden all week. We did a lot.
You did a lot.
Yeah, I did a lot. Katrina helped out, and that's part of it. You kind of have to take turns. Sometimes I'm busier, sometimes she's busier. But we have our potatoes ready to go. This will be for corn. We're going to till it up one more time. That should be good to go.
Slash garlic.
Slash garlic,
Crooked garlic.
random crooked garlic. And then we have all the rows from that you saw us do in the video before. And if you saw me in the back, I was just kind of cultivating the rows rather than having to use the hoe on them. There's a lot in there, so this will just be easier on me. But thank you for tuning in. If you enjoy this, please hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed to see what we do next week, where we're going to probably plant out 90% of this garden and then put up a temporary fence as well. Thank you so much, guys.
Woo!